Hello, my name is Manpreet and I am from Punjab. I still remember the first day of Amity University, which I went there with lots of dreams. The best thing about the Amity University, it was the environment. We all know about that. Teacher there who always helped me to recognize my ability, my strength, my life. And the best thing about Amity University, it was the director of Amity who always considered the student problem as his own problem. Today I am a news anchor of HS News Channel and Z Plus News Channel in Delhi location just because of Amity University. Along with the studies, I joined so many news channels in Ranchi itself. After that, I went to Patna through campus placement and anchored there in AB News Channel. And there I also worked with so many political parties. After that, I moved in Delhi. After moving Delhi, I joined HS and Z Plus News Channel as an anchor. Today, whatever I am, just because of Amity University. In the Amity University, whatever the junior students are, I just want to convince them that it is important to bring confidence for media students. Because bringing percentage is totally different to proving yourself in field. So, all the best. Hope you all do well.
Hi, my name is Shreya Devroy and I am an alumni of Amity University, Jharkhand. Currently, I am placed at one of the top and best IT companies, TCS. I have completed my undergraduation program from Amity University, Jharkhand in the year 2019 in the subject of Bachelor's of Business Administration. Amity University has given me a lot of opportunity to gain confidence and instilled the qualities of a leader, thus by nourishing my skills. It has given me the opportunity to participate at various national level conferences and paper presentation programs where I can showcase my skill. I had participated at a national level conference held at Amity University, Jharkhand itself, where I had presented a paper on the topic Corporate Governance and Corporate Finance. I had also presented a paper at a national level conference held at IFIM College, Bangalore. The opportunity thus came by through Amity University, Jharkhand itself, and I am really very glad. I also won a state level rank, 7th rank, in All India Essay Writing Competition. All these events helped me to gain a feeling of pride within me that I had studied and completed my course and was also a part of such a reputed institution. The placement officers as well as the placement cell has also given me and always helped me to explore various other companies and thus choose the best. I got placed in various other companies as well, but choosing TCS was a part of my dream and thus a dream come true, for which I am very much thankful towards Amity University, Jharkhand. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nikita and I am an alumni of Amity University, Jharkhand. I have completed my MBA in HR and Marketing in the year 2019 and currently I am working in India's #1 bank, HDFC, as an assistant manager. Amity really helped me out to build my career as it gives me an opportunity to be part of this wonderful organization. The things that really helped me out was the grooming classes, which includes the group discussion rounds, interview sessions, debate competitions within the classroom, so that each and every student can come out of their comfort zone. And my message to all the students who are part of this organization, to please keep motivated, stay healthy, stay home, and yes, keep improving your skills. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Harshit Chitlangya, an alumni of Amity University, Jharkhand. I did my MBA from the batch 2019 and my major was HR. Well, currently I'm working with ESAF Small Finance Bank, which is one of the India's most leading and fastest growing bank, and I'm working as an HR recruiter. I have the responsibility for recruitment of 6 states. Well, thanks to Amity that I was able to achieve it. Moving on further, I believe my journey through Amity was amazing. The things that I learned, the platform that it gave, it was superb. All I want to say is to my juniors, and my advice to them would be that Ask 3 questions whatsoever: what, why, and how. Because when we talk about practical world, it's quite different with the college. There are people to guide you in the college but not in the practical world. So therefore prepare yourself quite hard, and I'm very sure Amity would help like it helped me. You know, my teachers were always there standing by me and supporting me in everything. Conceptual learning is one of the most important thing. Personality development is something another which Amity always focuses upon. You don't want to be just another kid waiting for the round of an interview where an interviewer would come and reject you. You want to be different. Yes, so Amity will give you that platform. It will groom you the way you are. Moving on further, I would only like to advise one last thing, and that is carry the name with a pride. Trust your seniors, trust your teachers, and moreover, believe in yourself, because that's all is going to matter at the end of the day. All the best, wish you all the very best for the future, wish you all the luck, and hope you come out with flying colors. Thank you so much.